Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and right off the bat I'm going to answer a few questions real quick. Some of the big ones, the ones I've been asked most here lately are, where have I gone? Because I'm actually 2 or 3 days late making a video. Well, if you don't live in Oklahoma, you might not be aware, here for the last 2 or 3 days we've been having some very severe weather. And a couple of days ago I had a tornado pass about 2 miles east of my house. And before it got here, I was getting phone calls saying, hey, it's going to hit you, it's coming right at you. So on days like that, I've just headed out. I don't actually have a storm cellar. That's in the works. I'm going to try to get one out here. And it's always a good time in our state because, or a good thing to have in our state because this is just a real deal and just something you have to live with. And so yesterday was much the same thing. I got out here, got to working. Electricity started flickering a little bit because of the storms that were coming. And in that situation, if I'm in the middle of cutting something on my CNC and the electricity goes out, I can't restart where I was at. I mean, the only way I could do that is to know what line of code it was on. And I don't sit there and watch it. I'm sitting there watching the machine run like you guys. I mean, that's basically what I do when the machine's running. So that's where I've been. That's why I'm running late this week. And so today what I'm going to do is assign for Daniel over at Arms Family Homestead. If you don't follow him, run over there and check him out, and you'll learn about his meet and greet that's coming up this next Sunday on May 5th. Well, he's having a meet and greet down at Leon Sloan's down in Kingston, and they're going to do a lot of the gardening stuff, have some classes explaining how to do these things. And Leon's going to be putting those on and showing everybody how to do this stuff. So Daniel's told me that he has a bunch of people have confirmed that they're coming to the meet and greet. And so I figured today I would make him just basically a sign so he could keep track and people could put where they're coming from and how far they came to come to this meet and greet. So let's go. So there you have it, guys. Here it is. I mean, I think it came out pretty cool. So the idea here is I'm going to take a couple of Sharpies and just lay them up here on it. And so wherever you're from, I'm from South Central Oklahoma, so I just make a little dot right there to show how far I came, and hopefully it'll be spread out pretty good. But it was a pretty neat deal. The only problems that you did see me having is I was afraid of these lines after I painted them, because they are real thin lines. I was afraid I was going to sand through them. I didn't think about that when I programmed it, so if I was to do something like this again, I would program it where it cut them deeper. And it still came out pretty good. I mean, I'm kind of stretching it here. I'm doubting anybody's actually going to come from Alaska or Hawaii, but you never know. And so that's about all on this one. I mean, that's what I was trying to get put out, and I like the way it looks. So that's it for today, guys. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.